Welcome back to Beauty of Fashion, the ultimate destination for all things nail art and design. I'm crossed into the we have an exciting and creative nail design tutorial for you. But before we dive in though, if you want or already make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our fabulous nail art content. Now let's get started. The nail design is inspired by motivation on exploration, season trend, holiday. It's a perfect blend of the style, bold, elegant, fun that you can easily recreate at home. Don't worry if you ring or guide you through a step. First step, let's prep these nails. Begin by gently chopping and pushing your nail to your desired length and shape. This step ensures a smooth canvas for your nail art and help your publisher adhere better. Layer of your favorite base coat is not only protected your natural nail but also help the polish last level plus it create a smooth surface for the color to pop. Now comes the fun part, choosing your color to the really big using brand and shadows. Feel free to get creative and mix and match color.